Good evening, sir.
Good, good evening, everyone. Good evening. Turn on your cameras.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Yes, till what we have discussed in the last class, like we had a couple of, Disha, you were absent. Why?
Sir, actually, I was sick, so I couldn't join.
Sorry, you was?
I was feeling sick.
Okay. Okay. See, like, have you gone through the recording videos then? Sorry?
I did not.
Please go through that. Why? Because, without going through that, you won't understand this one. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. All right. You getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please go through that. And yes, till what we have discussed, chain rule we have done, quotient rule we have done.
Quotient rule.
Sorry,
Product
what
rule.
is quotient? Tell me what is product rule? Why do we use chain rule? Tell me, Amrud. Come on.
Sir,
Amrud, you only. Why do we use chain rule? For differentiation. For differentiating a function. When do we need to use the chain rule?
when it is in standard form.
When?
When it is in the standard form.
When it is in the standard form. స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ లో ఉంటే మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తాం దాన్ని స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ లో ఉంటే డైరెక్ట్ ఫామ్ లో యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా if it is in standard form straightly straight away you'll use the formula, right? Formulas we have just gone through the 14 formulas. Like if it is in standard form, then straight away we'll go and use the formula. Then what is the point of using chain rule then? Simple, you just don't remember whatever I'm talking, whatever I'm listening, whatever I'm just explaining, you don't remember that. You understand why we are learning that. Clear? What is the reason behind, what is the basic application behind learning chain rule? So whatever you just mathematics, in mathematics you just do that. Clear? Okay, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, Arvind, what is product rule? What is the formula for product rule?
Sir, if we formula.
I can't hear you. Now you are revising, huh?
Yes, sir.
Sorry?
Yes, sir. I'm revising now, sir.
Why?
Sir, I had classes from the morning, sir, and yesterday too, sir. We are
You
extending the
had,
class.
you had time yesterday, right? No, just don't give me excuses. It won't
Sir, I
take,
had time.
it won't take hours of hours. It won't take hours and hours, isn't it? It's just matter of, it is just a matter of like 5 to 10 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Don't give me excuses. I'm asking. Like you had enough time. Don't you have even like half an hour of break consecutively? Are you having classes
Yeah, sir. We
or
have
what?
half breaks, sir. 15 minutes.
Then
I'll do it some today. Sure.
okay. Tell me, Abhinay, what is product rule?
Sir,
Don't revise now. No one should. Please close your books, everyone, for a while. Everyone, close a book for a while. Tell me.
product rule is has different functions, and the formula of product rule is d by dx into u into v equal to d by dx into u into v plus d by dx into d by d by dx into u into v plus d by dx into u into v plus u into d by dx into v.
I didn't get your point. You just, I didn't understand what you told. Tell me in one word, simply. Derivative of what into plus derivative of what into. Tell me that, like that.
So derivative of x into v.
Hmm.
So derivative of x into v, where derivative of x in d by d. So can I say no? So,
Hmm.
so d by dx u into v equal to d by dx u into v plus u into d by dx into v.
Hmm. Simply you must say like that. Derivative of u into v plus derivative of v into u. Derivative of u into v plus derivative of v into u. Finished. What is quotient rule, Pravalika?
So d by dx u into u by v is equal to u dash into v minus v dash into u by v square.
Hmm. Anjali, why are you absent? Why were you absent for yesterday's class? Anjali, are you here? Turn on your camera. Why were you absent for yesterday's class? Last class you were absent, isn't it? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Why?
I didn't receive the message, sir. I'll see from next time.
So you thought no class. Why didn't you receive? You could see 1 second, you didn't receive. Now shall I show you at what time you saw the message?
No, sir. I received. I forgot about it.
Okay.
Sir, it won't happen again.
No, you saw but you didn't join.
I saw, but I forgot. I slept the whole day. That's why.
I don't understand how dare you people say to that and I slept. I was out. I couldn't get even 15 minutes of time to revise. I don't understand how. No, there is completely logicless. I don't understand why. See,
Sir, I
like
didn't check this time and just slept. And then I realized when I woke up that it was already over.
that is what called as is irresponsibility, to be honest. Like, you shouldn't be like that now. I'm feeling sorry on that. I'm sorry. See, you must understand that what exactly happening and why you guys are not doing like this. You must understand that. and tomorrow your test will be on limits and differentiation. And in different differentiation, you will have basic questions like d by dx of what, d by dx of sin x plus cos y, so cos x is equal to what, such kind of questions. I didn't give many depth of, I didn't give, very difficult questions from differentiation. Like, you can find bit, difficult from, limits, not as like as the previous one. So this time I just give a moderate paper only, so which gives you motivation as well as, boost up as well. So try to understand that and try to attempt each and every question. Attempt.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't mean that, you're attending simply, even you're not getting the answers, simply blah 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 blah, hanky pinky ponky. If you do and fill the options, it's not going to work out. Don't do that. Solve. If you get, fill it. If you don't get, leave it. No problem. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
You
sir.
understand? So please, be clear with the statement. I'm telling you again and again. If you get, just attempt it. If you don't get, you just leave it. No problem. I don't mind at all. We'll discuss in the class. If you don't get anything, okay, you understand. But don't that, now you're done with the class. So by 8:45 you'll be finishing your class. So what does it mean? So from 8:50 onwards, we'll be simply having dinner and just go for the bed. Don't do that. You have exam tomorrow. We just revise your limits concept. From the limits concept, what are the things we have done? What are the formulas we have done? How to apply the limit? What exactly the procedure to solve? It's not like that, so no one is going to check, no one is going to invigilate us. No one is doing invigilation to us. So simply we'll open the textbook and whatever the, class note has been given, we'll just look at that, we'll solve. If we don't get anything, we'll refer the formulas in between the exam. Don't do that. Don't cheat yourself, first of all. You understand? Don't cheat yourself. Be honest to yourself. So like, it is completely up to you. Like, no one is going to, no, you are going to lose. If you are checking and just solving that, you are going to lose. Don't check your notebooks when you are solving the questions. For that, you do one thing, just try to be honest to yourself and just, keep solving like that. Is that clear? All right. All right. I hope it is clear with everyone. Chalo, now let's let's get started. Till what we have discussed, let us solve a couple of questions from differentiation now. Basic questions. Let me tell you. Look at this here. So y is equal to x square into sin x into log x. This is your function. Find the derivative of this. Then find y dash. Find y dash. Arey bhai, look at this. Very simple. Look at this. I'm asking, like, we have three different functions here. This is u, this is v, this is w, right? I'm asking you to find d by dx of u, v, w, isn't it? So what I told you the formula for this, d by dx of first function into v and w will be, keep quiet. There'll be, we need not to apply derivative for that. Next, u will be as it is. Next, d by dx of v into w plus u v, then d by dx of w. All right, so d by dx of, what is u here? D by dx of u is what? X square. So into v is what here? Sin x. Into w is what? Log x. Look at this here. I'm just doing this as it is. In place of v, I'm writing this in place of w. Okay. So plus u. What is u here? X square into d by dx of v. What is v here? Sin x. Into w. W is what? Log x. Plus u. What is u here? X square into sin x. Into d by dx of log x. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
So in place of respectively, look at this here. Respectively, you can write like this. D by dx of 2x square is what? 2x into sin x into log x plus x square into d by dx of sin x is what? Cos x into log x plus x square into sin x into d by dx of log x is what? 1 by x. So this is my answer now. I cannot do anything after this. Yes, this is my answer. Simply. Any doubts?
Yes, no, sir.
Very simple. Very simple. Look at this. Very simple. And next question, guys. I'll give one question now. One more question. Solve this question. Y is equal to, if y is equal to x into log x divided by e power of x. So you have two different type of questions here in this given function. How can we solve this? First, you tell me what should be your approach. What approach should be it? Make it fast. Here two questions are hidden here. Tell me d by dx of x into log x divided by e power of x. Hello, guys, is it clear? See, how can I solve this? D by dx of this function, right? So look at this. This is my u here. This is u function. This is v function. So look at this now, dy by dx I'm doing. For this, what I have to do? U by v rule, right? Differentiation of u by v is formula is what? D by dx of u into v minus d by dx of v into u divided by v square. This is the formula, right? So now look at this here. What I have to do? D by dx of u. What is u here? X into log x. Into v. What is v here? E power of x. Minus d by dx of v is what? E power of x. Or let me write. Into u. What is u here? X into log x. So v square. What is v square here? E power of x whole square. Now tell me here, d by dx of x into log x is what first? D by dx of x into log x is equal. First you tell me this. This is a u function here again. This is a v function. Here again we need to apply product rule here. These two are two different functions here, isn't it? These are two different functions, u and v. So now d by dx of product rule is what? D by dx of u into v plus d by dx of v into u. D by dx of u is what? Dx by dx. Into v is what? Log x. Plus d by dx of v, which means log x, into u. U means x. So dx by dx will be getting cancelled. So you can simply write 1 into log x plus d by dx of log x is what? 1 by x into x. So x will be getting cancelled. So what I remain with now? Log x plus 1. So what is this? D by dx of this one. So now look at this. D by dx of x into log x, what I got? Log x plus 1 into e power of x minus d by dx of e power of x is what? E power of x only into x into log x divided by e power of 2x. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no, children? Is it clear with everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts here? Tell me.
No, sir.
Can anyone of you please explain me why we are writing this one? Why did I write here? See here, d by dx of u into v minus d by dx of v into u. This is what I got divided by v square. So d by dx of u is what? This one into v. V is this one. V is this one. U is this one. All right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Copy this, make it fast. Next question. Next, simple question, solve this. E power of x into log a. In the power itself, x into log a. E power of a into log x plus e power of a into log a is equal to this y function. Find, let me write this y function, right? If y is equal to this one, then find dy by dx is equal to what? Make it fast. Now look at this here. The formula, everyone look at this, e power of b into some log a. The formula is a power of b. Straight away I can write a power of b. If I have e power of log a power of b, something like this, then straight away formula is what? A power of b only. These are the two important formulas you must remember. Note, you take a note here. So this is what? This is my note. Okay, these two formulas. So e power of some b into log a gives me a power of b only. E power of log a to the power of b gives me a to the power of b only again. So now accordingly, can I solve this formula now? Can I solve this question? Look at this. So dy by dx, I'm just finding differentiation of y with respect to x. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Differentiation of y with respect to x. With respect to, in the presence of x, I'm solving. In the presence of x, I'm finding the derivative of y. All right. With the present of x, I'm just finding the derivative of y. So look at this. E power of x into log a. E power of x into log a is what? E power of x into log a is what? A power of x. Can I write as per the formula? As per the formula, plus e power of a into log x. E power of a into log x can be written as what? A into log x can be written as what? E power of log x to the power of a. I can just jump a. We can just, a will jump and sit on the x. Why? Because I know the formula. Log x to the power of n gives me n into log x. How many of you know this formula? Guys, how many of you know this formula? X to the power of n gives me n into log x. So I have here n into log x. That can be written as log x to the power of n plus. All right. So here this can be written as what? A to the power of a. This can be written as a to the power of a. Clear? Oh, sorry, not a to the power of a. This is, we can simply write a log a. A log a as it is. Clear? A log a. So now differentiate it. I just converted the function like this. I'm now differentiating. Now this is my y only, guys. This is y only. Now I'm just differentiating this. Dy by dx is equal to a, dy by dx of a power of x is what? D by dx of a power of x, formula a power of x into log a plus d by dx of e power of x into formula is what? Tell me, simple here. Here log x, right? So tell me e to the power of something. A power of x into log a plus here log, I think we wrote something wrong here. From this formula, guys, look at this here. Now, first let me write y function again. One more step let me write so that it will be clear. A power of x as it is, I'm writing. Again, look at this, e power of x to the power of a. E to the power of log x to the power of a can be written as what? A to the power of b. So x to the power of a here plus e to the power of a into log a as it is, I'm writing. So look at this here. Now I'm differentiating this. What is the differentiation of this? A power of x into log a plus a x power of n formula. What is x power of n into n? What is n here? A. What is n here? A. So a into x to the power of n minus 1. N is what here? A minus 1. Differentiation of constant. E is a constant here. Differentiation of this part will become 0 always. I hope it is clear with everyone. Clear? So dy by dx is equal to a power of x into log a plus a into x to the power of a minus 1. This is my answer. Clear? So remember these formulas where I'm applying. E to the power of b into log a. If I write so, I could be written that as a to the power of b, and e to the power of log a base, log a to the power of b. If I have something like this, then a power of b is the answer. Look at this. In both ways, it is correct only. Look at this here. I just wrote this one as it is. I just wrote this one as it is. This one can be written as, look at it, e to the power of log x to the power of a can be written as x to the power of a only. E to the power of a e to the power of a into log a can be written as this one as it is. Okay. So now a power of x as it is, I'm writing a power of x into log a. So this into this 0. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubt, guys? Any doubts? Tell me.
No, sir.
Next question. Y is equal to log x base 3 minus 3 log x base e plus 2 tan x, where log e is equal to 1. Clear? Any doubts? Next, let me give the questions here. If y is equal to 2 by 3 into x to the power of 9 minus 5 by 7 into x to the power of 7 plus 6x cube minus x, then find dy by dx at x is equal to 1. Next question. F of x is equal to lambda x square plus find lambda and mu is equal to what? Okay. Find lambda and mu is equal to what? Look at this. So we'll solve one by one. See, first I'm asking you to find out dy by dx. What is the derivative of this function? Find the derivative of find the derivative. Make it fast. Just follow the procedure which has been given to you. Make it fast. Find the derivative of this. Clear. Make it fast. What happened? Guys, how can we do this? Look at this. Let me give a formula here. So here, before everyone, how many of you know this formula? I just gave you long back. Log A base B formula can be written as log A base E divided by log B base E. This is a formula which you need to use here. Okay? So this can be written as what? Now first you convert the function. Log x base E divided by log 3 base E minus 3 into log x base E plus 2 times of tan x. So now differentiation of this is y dash of this one. D by x of log x is what? D by x of log x is what? 1 into, I'm just writing D. Then now find it out. Now you can find it out. So look at this here, guys. I can just don't apply no quotient rule here again. You can apply if you want. Look at this. 1 log 1 by log 3 is constant here. Log 3 is constant. No need of applying that. Log 3 is constant. If you even you apply u by v, you will get the same. Log 3 is constant. Look at this here. Log 3 is constant. Log 3 is a constant. So I'm just pulling outside. So now I just remain with this one. Log x minus 3 times of log x. Guys, log x, look at this, log x base e simply can be written as log x. Okay, plus 2 times of tan x. So y dash is equal to 1 by log 3. So d by x of log, now individually, look at this, d by x of, not full one, this one here only for, this is for only this one, not full. Bracket should come for only this one. Why? Because that is the part of that one, no? D by x of log x is what? 1 by x. Isn't it? Minus 3 into d by x of log x to 1 by x. Plus 2 times of d by x of tan x is what? Secant square x. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no, children? This is my answer now. Is that clear? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Look
No,
at this.
sir.
Now this can be written as, now let me ask a question here. Tell me here, log 3 base 4. This can be written as what? Log 3 base 4 can be written as how? Log 3 base e divided by log 4 base e. This is how I can write. Example. So this is how I just converted. The given question I just converted like this. Log x base e divided by log 3 base e. So log 3 is constant. So whatever the constant you get, we have to just pull it outside. I just pull it outside. So 1 by log 3 I'm just pulling outside. And I just remain with log x. So log x minus 3 times of log x plus 2 tan x. So 1 by log 3 divided by log x is what? 1 by x into divided x of log x, again 1 by x, divided x of secant square x is, so divided x of tan x is secant square x. Clear? Yes or no? Any doubts? Any doubts? Hello? Yes or no? Shall we move forward?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. So d by dx of, if y is equal to 2 by 3 x to the power of 9 minus 5 by 7 x to the power of 7. So now find the derivative of this. Find the derivative of this. Find the derivative at x is equal to 1. What is the meaning of this? See here, what is the meaning of this? Look at it. If I can just give like this also. At x is equal to 1. After finding derivative of the particular function, you have to substitute value of x is equal to 1. That is the meaning of that. And this also can be written as like this. Dy by dx at this, what is this line shows here? At dy by dx at x is equal to 1. This is the meaning of this. Clear? At x is equal to 1. So find out derivative of this. So y dash is equal to 2 by 3 constant. So let it be as it is. D by dx of x power of 9 is what? D by dx of x to the power of 9 is what? 9x to the power of 8. Isn't it? 9x to the power of 8 minus 5 by 7. So 9 x to the power of 8 minus 5 by 7 x to the power of 6 divided x of this one plus divided x of 6x cube, how much? 18x square minus 1. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Y dash is equal to 2 by 3. Yes, I got this one. So this is my dy by dx. Clear? We have to just substitute the value of x. What is x value given here? X is equal to 1. So y dash at x is equal to 1 is what? 2 by 3 into 9 into 1 power of 8 minus 5 by 7 into 7 into 1 to the power of 6 plus 18 into 1 to the power of minus 1. So All right. So 2 by 3 into 9 minus 5 by 7 into 7 plus 18 minus 1. So look at this here. How can I cancel? 3 ones, 3 threes. 7 will be getting cancelled. So 2 threes are 6 minus 5 into 5 plus 18 minus 1. This can be written as what now? So here 6 minus 6 plus 18. So plus 6 minus 6 will be getting cancelled. Answer is what? 18. This is the answer. Any doubts? So this is my dy by y dash is at x is equal to 1. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Hello?
No, sir.
Next question. Solve this one. Solve this one. Make it fast. Make it fast. See here, we have to find out, guys, how many of you understood this one? Tell me, how many of you understood the above one? Clear? How many of you understood this one? Tell me.
Sir, I understood.
Very good. Chalo, this one. Everyone understood or not? How many of you understood?
Sir, I did. I understood, sir.
Pravalika, you were asking for to me. You were asking me to add. Sorry, why did you leave?
Sir, actually, there was some network issues suddenly.
Okay. I just discussed this question. Look at this here. In this question, what we have discussed is, look at this. This is the given function here. Listen to me. This is a given function. This is a given function. And he's asking us to find dy by dx at x is equal to 1. Simply what we have to do is, you have to just find out dy by dx of this given function and substitute x value 1. That's all. Clear?
Yes.
I just found this is my dy by dx here. Look at this. This is my dy by dx here. This is the answer actually. At x is equal to 1 given, right? So I have to substitute in place of x. I'm substituting 1. Look at this.
Okay, sir.
Find out dy by dx. In place of x, you have to substitute 1. That's all. And look at, solve this question immediately. You can copy. I'll share the notes. You can copy later. No problem. Find out. Make it fast. See, f of x is equal to this one given. Then f dash of 4 is equal to 15. This is 4, guys, not u. So f of x. What is f dash of x? What is f dash of x? Lambda into x square is what? Lambda into x square. D by dx of x square is what? 2x. Or else you write like this. F dash of x is equal to f dash of lambda x square plus mu x plus 12. Okay. So f dash of x is equal to f dash of this one is what? F dash of lambda x square is what? Which means f dash of lambda x square is what? So I should write like this: f dash of lambda x square plus f dash of mu x plus f dash of 12 individually. I have to just differentiate individually. F dash of x is equal to f dash of lambda x square. F dash of lambda x square is what? Lambda is constant. I'm writing constant as it is. D by dx of, I mean, f dash of x square means d by dx of x square. D by dx of x square is what? So 2 lambda x, clear? So 2 lambda x, 2x plus uv, d by dx of uv, mu v. Mu is a constant. So mu into d by dx of x is what? 1 plus this is 0. Clear? So f dash of x is equal to 2 lambda x plus mu. This is what I got. Is it clear? All right. So this is what I got. Now he has given f dash of 4 is equal to 15 given, right? So f dash of 4 is equal to 2 lambda into 4 plus mu is equal to 15 given. All right. Given. So what could I find it out now? F dash of 4 is equal to 8 lambda plus mu is equal to 15. Let us consider this as equation number 1. All right. Yes, this is the equation number 1. So f dash of 2 given is equal to 11. So again f dash of 2 given. So 2 into lambda into 2 plus mu. So f dash of 2 is equal to what? 4 lambda plus mu. Let us consider equation number 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. So did you understand how I'm writing this? In place of x, I'm substituting 4. That's all. So in place of x, I'm substituting 4. So 8 into, 2 lambda into 4 gives me 8 lambda plus this one is equal to 15. Clear? So solving equation number 1 and 2. Solving equation number 1 and 2. Solving equation number. How can I solve this? Look at this. So shall I multiply second number equation? Multiply equation with the 2. If I multiply, what I get here? So 4 lambda plus, okay, how much given? F of 2 is equal to given 11. Sorry, 11. You must write 11 here. Is equal to 11 given. So you must write equate with 11. Equal to 11. So if I look at this, 2 into 4 lambda plus mu is equal to 11 and 2 into 11, right? 2 into 11. So now multiplied. So I'm just subtracting the first equation. Subtract. What is your just subtraction means, like, you do one thing. What do you get here? What do you get here? So 8 lambda plus 2 mu plus 22. This equation as it is, I'm writing 8 lambda plus 1 mu is equal to 15. Clear? Subtracting. So 8 lambda will be getting cancelled. So 1 mu is equal to how much? 7. Mu is equal to 7 I got. Mu value 7 I got. If mu is equal to 7, then what would be the lambda value? From the equation number 1, substitute mu value in the equation number 1. So 8 lambda plus mu, right? 8 lambda plus mu is equal to 15. So 8 lambda plus 7 is equal to 15. तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 8 lambda is equal to 8. 15 minus 1, 8, no. 8 will be getting cancelled. Lambda is equal to 1. Clear? Any doubts here? Any doubts? Any doubt, guys? Tell me. Hello. Simple solving the equation. First, you have to find out. Look at this. What he has given. F of x given. We have to find out first f dash of x. In place of x, I have to substitute 4 and just equate with the 15. f dash of 2 is equal to 11, so equate with 11. Clear? All right, then I have to find out lambda and mu here. Find out lambda and mu. I hope it is clear with everyone. Is that clear with everyone or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now look at this. Solve the next question. Solve this one. Find the dy by dx of this. Dy by dx is equal to what? First, you solve this question. Solve this question quickly. Quick. Make it first. Come on, what is the answer? Arey yaar, how long will you take? Make it fast. Done. देखो मैंने बताऊंगा. This question you have to solve the homework. This question is a homework. So divide this. Look at this. A d by uv function. Let u is equal to x into tan x. v is equal to secant x plus tan x. ठीक है. So quotient rule, I can apply quotient rule here. So dy by dx is equal to what? d by dx of dy by dx. So d by dx of u x into tan x into v as it is minus v into to d by dx of x into tan x whole divided by okay, fine. Look at this. So d by dx of x into tan x, again uv rule here. This is a u function, this is a v function. Just solve that. What do you get? Tell me. D by dx of x into, so 1 into tan x plus secant square x into x, secant x plus tan x minus secant x plus tan x into d by dx of x into tan x is what, Inga? Tan x plus secant square x into x. Sorry, we are doing same thing here. Here dy by dx of this one. D by dx of this function into x into tan x. So d by dx of secant x is what? Secant x into tan x plus d by dx of tan x is what? Secant square x into tan x divided by secant x plus tan x whole square. Now just proceed with this. Now this is my answer. This is my answer. So if you want to take anything common, you can take it out, or else leave it as it is. If you want, you can leave it as it is. If you want to simplify, you can simplify it here, or else you want to leave, you can leave as it is. No problem. Clear? Any doubts here? Any doubts? If you want to simplify, you can simplify, or else if you want to leave, you can leave it as it is. No problem. Clear? So this is your answer. Any doubts? Chill, any doubts here? This is my answer here. So next question, you have to make it out. This is a dy by dx. This is the question here. Now look at this. So this is the answer. Clear? अरे यार ये क्या हो रहा है? This is a homework question to everyone. All right. So we'll meet in the next session then. Until then, goodbye. Thank you. You can leave the session. Thank you.